Hi, I'm Jeff Kendall. I'm one of the owners of Custom Exteriors, Windows and Doors. We are asked often a basic question, which is, how do you install your new windows and doors? Well, there's two methods of installation. The first method is called retrofit. What that entails is leaving the aluminum frame in place around the perimeter with no damage to the siding or the trim. Many jobs are done in just one day with this very efficient, quick process. The other method of installation is called new construction, or nail-on, where we remove the aluminum frame, cut back the siding or stucco, and nail on a brand new window in place of the old. The retrofit installation, it's a much more efficient process. Most jobs are done in just a day, and it's much less expensive. But sometimes a job just requires a new construction nail-on approach because of leaks, because of issues with moisture intrusion, or if it's just somebody that wants to maximize the size of their window and their viewing glass area. We do both types of installations, retrofit and new construction. We're happy to give you a price for both.